What's Gucci, my friend? Today we're gonna revisit a video that I posted a little while ago, short clip of how to install a solid tire on a scooter in more of details. I got a lot of questions on how to do this, how to do that, so we're just going to do it one time, step-by-step instructions. And first thing, obviously, we need to do is to take out a wheel from a scooter. Then we're gonna break the bead off the side of the tire, and I'm using clamp, squeezing the side, and the bead breaks off. But you feel free to use whatever methods work for you: spoons, legs, kicks, fingers, whatever works for you. All we need to do is break the bead off the side of the tire. Next, to take the tire off, again, I'm utilizing the clamp, squeezing it to the center of the tire. This gives us some space to work around the wheel, uh, insert the levers inside, and practically slide the tire off with a snap of a finger. If it still doesn't want to come off, use soapy water, spray it a lot, and it will work. Just as a courtesy, I'm sealing the hole with the hot glue, but you can leave the stem in there or use something else to plug the hole. And now we're moving on to the main character of this episode, my own creation, moving dolly with attached ratchet straps. Don't forget very important piece of the puzzle, moving rotation of the tire. Figure it out, then put the tire in the center, pass the belts underneath. This way when you stretch it, it will open up like a flower and you'll be able to insert the wheel into it. Tighten it up, stretch to whatever desired the circumference, diameter, or whatever you call it, you want, and basically insert the wheel. Obviously, thicker and wider tires are a little bit more stiffer than the regular 2-inch wide tires, so spraying soapy water will help a lot. And as soon as the rim passes the edge of the tire, you'll be able to push the tire in. So work around, see, make sure it's all the way in, and then just press, just like that. Moving on to the most challenging part of the quest, and that's where I got most of the questions on the previous video. How do you take out the straps? Because I did not show that. So the key to success is wet them with soapy water, soak them in there. The wetter they are, the easier they come out. And then I do it one at a time. There are several techniques I utilized. I stepped on the dolly and released all of them, and just with my back pulled out the wheel. But I found one at a time, while others are still under tension, was the easiest way to remove the straps. And now one last step before reinstallation is to center out the tire. You can use levers, spoons, again, hands. I'm using this tool. Pliers would actually work too. Uh, Twist the rubber, position it the right way, sit it on the bead, uh, tuck it into the rim, go around, make sure it's centered, and you're pretty much all set and good to put tire back on the scooter. And this is, guys, how it's done, again, in my opinion. If you have any advices or suggestions how to improve this contraption, please let me know. Otherwise, feel free to use it. And the whole job between front and back took about 40 minutes, maybe, I don't know, half an hour from start to finish. So that's definitely a very good tool to use. Take care.